Hello and welcome to Salesian News Inside Campus. I'm your host Sanskriti Gupta from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. In this special edition of Inside Campus News, I bring you the latest update on this special lecture, Broadcasting Boundaries, the Power of Radio News, organized by the Mass Communication and Journalism Department. News in detail by Alia Anjum.
On 22nd July 2024, the Department of Mass Communication, in collaboration with IQSE, organized a special lecture titled Broadcasting Boundaries, the Power of Radio News. The event commenced with a welcoming speech by Mrs. Mrinalini Sharma, Assistant Professor of Mass Communication Department, setting a positive tone for the session. The program began with a ceremonial offering of khada to the esteemed guests. The keynote speaker, Mr. Manas Pratim Sharma, Senior Editor and Head of the Regional News Unit at Akashvani Kurseong and Akashvani Guwahati, delivered an insightful talk about the impact and evolution of radio news, particularly focusing on AIR. Mr. Ashok Chaurasia, the news in charge of the Regional News Unit at Akashvani Kurseong, and with over 2 decades of his experience in radio journalism, shared his expertise on news reading. He emphasized the skills required to be an effective news reader and discussed his journey in the field, drawing from his extensive experience, including 20 years in Delhi. Following the speeches, there was a dynamic question and answer session where Mr. Sharma addressed various queries from the students, enriching their understanding of the radio news industry. The event also featured a speech by Ma'am Shikshita, Head of Department of Mass Communication, who further elaborated on the significance of radio news. Vice Principal Dr. Augustine Joseph concluded the session by presenting the guests with tokens of appreciation. The event wrapped up with a vote of thanks delivered by Anjana Rai, expressing gratitude to all the participants and organizers. Overall, the lecture was a resounding success, offering attendees a deeper appreciation of the power of radio news and its role in shaping public opinion.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus with camera person Bhaskar Rai. I'm your host Sanskriti Gupta for Inside Campus. Thank you.